Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get insight option on Instagram. Do you guys want to get insight option on Instagram but don't know how to do it? Don't worry guys, let's find out. To do this, you have to update your Instagram app to the newest version. You can simply do it from Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Okay, now open your Instagram app. Then tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three lines here. After that, select settings. Then select account. Now scroll down and select switch to professional account. Now this app window will be open. Now click continue and here select the category you want. Then select done. And here select next. Okay, now we have to complete these steps. That's how we get insights option on Instagram. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.